Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of the 1972 C10 LS Swap build series. I'm Jeff and I'm glad you're choosing to join me on this journey. Today's video is going to be a little bit longer than the first two. In this video we're going to do some engine disassembly, tear it down to just a short block. We're not going to take the rotating assembly out, but I do look at everything while I'm in there. I don't go over it on the video, but I do look at everything while I'm in there. Then we're going to take the heads off, pull the cam out, take the lifters out, pull the front timing cover off. We're going to put a new cam in. We're going to do some cleanup work and all that kind of stuff, so a partial reassembly. In the next set of videos, you're going to see me put the heads back on, paint the valve covers, all that good stuff, and then get the engine ready to put back in the truck. So stick around, enjoy it, and if you got any comments or any suggestions about things that you want to see in the future, any more detail, let me know. Drop a comment below. I'd appreciate it. Thanks. Quick look at the valve train while I got it open before I tear it down more. Camera over here. Not too bad. A little dirty, but I mean it's kind of what you'd expect for 225,000 miles. Nice bronze coloring. I don't see any dirt or sludge in the head, so that's good. So that one experienced issues before with a cracked cylinder head. I think they were the Castech castings on an older 5.3 that I had swapped into a 65 C10, and did have to replace those heads. None of those symptoms look to be present here. I don't see any foaming or any type of condensation or anything like that in there, so that's good. Okay, about to get started pulling off the exhaust manifolds, and it's the first time I'm looking at it, and I notice I've got two broken head bolts. Voila, there's one, and that one's flush with the head. So I'm going to figure something out there. I'm not a welder, so I don't know if I can find somebody who can help me out there, but I'm going to try. And then I've got another one here. Can't really see it on the camera here. Maybe it'll focus. Yeah, that one right there. That one's sticking out a bit, so maybe I can get some vice grips on there and pull that one out. But I went ahead and soaked the rest with some PV Blaster. Hopefully that'll give me enough lubricant to break away. But let's go ahead and get these exhaust manifolds off. Alright, picked up a new tool from Harbor Freight. Came with great reviews. Earthquake 20 volt
XT, I think it has like 1,200 foot-pounds of breakaway force. Let's see if this thing works here. I have nothing holding the crank down, so let's just see if this does anything. A little nervous. Oh my gosh, like butter. In the past, woo, that thing's awesome. In the past, I've used a breaker bar that's like 4 feet long to break these things loose, and obviously you got to hold the crank down to get them off, but that was awesome. That took like 2 seconds. Good dope. Got the front cover mating surface cleaned up pretty good. Also got front cover mating surface cleaned up good. Tried to get a lot of the grime off the front side of it. This sensor is really hard to get around. It's delicate and I didn't want to mess it up. I tried to press it out and it's just really tight, so I just put it back in. And then I got a new gasket, obviously. So let's go ahead and put this on. I went ahead and tightened the screen, the pickup tube, put the O-ring on, put some oil on it, tighten those down to about 106 inch-pounds, give or take. Now I'm going to do the windage tray. To 18.